Hi and welcome to the TilersTools video channel. In this series of videos I'm going to show you how to use the solutions step by step and to give you the best how-tos and hopefully give you some labour saving tips. This is our Clean It Everyday Cleaner, purposely made for regular mopping of those paved areas. The beauty of this product is it's biodegradable and it doesn't leave those soapy suds on the residue after the mopping. Okay, so the process for a regular cleaning is just to use a normal brush, sweep off any surface dirt, because what you don't want to do is to be spreading that thin with the dilute solution. Take a regular mop bucket and mop. There's 5 litres of water in here and we put just around about a capful in, and that's plenty to do a fairly big area. So with the mop, in we go. This is a fancy one from our cleaner, got the old spinning action. And we just simply so we'll see the muck that I've shifted off there, and just give that a rinse with the second mop, and that's nice and clean.